leak voice note say a Beenie Man Maca Diamond and talk my people. Yeah, that and more. We have a bag of things to talk about. You have the leak voice note. I'm gonna make you hear the voice note and hear what the man I say, yo, I'm Beenie Man and a Beenie Man do that to Maca. Yeah man, so we don't have that for here. Yeah, and if you don't know what I talk about, yeah, so basically, this is what I talk about, really. So, there was an incident where, well, not an incident, there was a video out that Maca Diamond put out, I say, on popular dancer DJ, beat her up with broadboard and stuff like that. If you're not familiar with what I talk about, that is what I talk about. But don't worry yourself, still, the link for that video in the description of this video. So if you want to watch it, you can go watch it and come back. Or if you want to watch it when you're done, you can go to that. However, another that alone, we have a situation we talk about with this woman I say, yo, the police them bribe her 300k and a whole heap of things with people. But of course, you know the thing already. If you always watch my video, you know say, yo, you do the right thing. What is the right thing? If you like the video, you press like. You find any value in the content, you hit the subscription button. And if you have a comment whether or not you agree or you disagree with me, just leave it in the comment section, my people. Make you jump into the video.
That just so it started, you get me? Yeah, so you know say, yo, the boy Beenie Man a wicked boy, you know. From a long time, and nobody feel like he can go around him saying, you know. Cause everything with Maca Diamond a talk a true. Whole heap of man up at the studio today. And me I tell you, I don't know. But John know a wicked piece of thing him do the woman. And if enough other woman never afraid, they would have come out and talk to. Cause she can't even call him name. When you hear about him, go watch back the live on me and say, yo, right now, you know, say she's supposed to afraid. Oh, she a talking, brother. Yeah. So right now, people gonna feel like say, make sure try to make up things or she try to look some attention. Me tell her, the boy being one day is not a easy boy. People them love him in the music and in public, but me tell you, it's a wicked boy that. Yeah, a wicked boy that, man. Beat her out of the board.
Alright, there you have it, my people. You see the voice note, you hear what go on, you see what go on, you see what take place. So the man basically say, Beenie Man is a wicked boy. And he must say, yo, this is nothing made up, like he must say, yo, a man tell him, cause him the dead of the day at the studio, him see what go on, and him all show me mention, we say, another first woman. Of course, him say, yo, him hide him voice, assume, say, maybe Beenie Man a wicked man on road. We don't know any idea, most of them artists have them secret life behind. As a matter of fact, everybody have them secret life. Everybody have something where the world don't know about them. Or, you know the thing of people, most times when they come out to entertain, them put up a facade. You see me, I say, then show this face, it look like, say, hey, oh, I'm squeaky clean and nothing now go on and nothing there in the closet and stuff and so forth and so forth. I mean, this is not gossip for me. This is not, oh my God, put it now. This is not, facts, alright, this is not the gospel. If you say, hey, look, this is how it go that man you talk the truth, whatever you. But no know. And the idea, just leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think, my people. You know, things say are really so you go for true, you think say Beenie Man, or you know things say him. But the streets have it to say, yo, either Beenie Man or Bounty, because you know, Maca Diamond mention that the whole facts say, yo, there was rivalry and stuff like that and stuff like that and stuff like that and so much and so much and so more. You understand what I say, my people? But of course, you know, we're not going to venture too long for them. I just want to hear the voice note and see what take place. We have another topic to talk about, so watch a topic, you know. Pre the video and then we go talk about it. Just watch a video as a matter of fact.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. This is Shakira Whitaker. Last night, I'm accused of flattery scamming. The police them say if I not find 300,000, them gonna lock me up and I'm not gonna see back my son. I said, okay, I will give you whatever you want, because my son now gonna grow up like me without a mother or a father. Them say them want 300,000. The money wired to my account, I'm gonna them carry the ATM, and me withdraw the money. Me have to draw 50 Because I can't draw 100. I have to draw 50, whatever, them get them 300,000. However, when I left the station on my way going home, I started to look into it and said, the Jamaican police force get away with so many things. And them not get away with my 300,000 because I work hard.
Alright, my people, I could talk about it, I could reason it out, I could talk things well logical now. Alright, so first thing first, we come in and waste of time in a straight and the video me a jump, you know. So first thing first, they say, yo, the police them hold her, and when the police them hold her, them say, yo, she is wanted for scamming, them find evidence that she a scam, and Ray, Austin and Crawford. No, she said the police them said to her, say, yo, go on and on, no. We are going to lock you up if you don't pay 300k, right? Now, before we go any further, if I saw the story go for true and she paid the police them wrong, then I do the job. But I could go further in the story, right? She done say, oh, she get the money wired to her account. After the money get wired to her account, she sees someone go to the ATM, draw 50-50 rather, sorry, and then she go give them the money. She give them the money now, she go up on her way. She said to me, oops, poof. Out of nowhere, one idea come to her, say, hey, look, we can't make them take with 300k, 300k like that. After get it back, we're going to take it to the media. This don't make no sense, my people. Can't watch a prayer now, right? Me, nah, take up them money there. And give nobody if me know say you're not go so. And as a matter of fact, I mean, don't get me wrong, you know, the police am right, you know. The police am wrong, you know, that's me I say, you know, but no, which police I gonna make her? I go risk them job and them career, right? So you do bribe, yeah, me know you do bribe, right? But who are gonna risk them career if you are a mere lie, right? The man them have to have some concrete evidence and some concrete shit for know say yo, you're going to know, no? If you decide say you not pay up this shit, I sink, you get sink, right? And you yourself have to know say yo, the man them have some concrete evidence. So you know you say to yourself say, hey, anyway, if we get it from, we have to go find this money and just pay it up and done. Yeah, because that's the only way the man, as a matter of fact, you tell me say yo, just to create a mere lie, the man them gonna say yo, give it 300,000. Then the figure say sound like the man them have some concrete thing and know say, hey, look, if you don't pay this, you're gone 15 years in the world based on the evidence that the man them have by you. Now again, though, this is not me justifying the police because I'm not justifying what the police say. But as I say, based on what she say, there is some flaws in the story and some things are just not add up. And if you understand what I say, my people, some things just don't make sense. And if you see why I say for instance, say, them really wrong, right? Well anyway, I say, alright, cool. And convict me now. We take it to the court, lawyer fee, pay a lawyer the money, or whatever the case might be. That don't make no sense. Anything where she said, me not gonna be the one. Me never like to be the one to make a call. Me not gonna leave it up to the public to make a call. But in me I gonna be a talk big and bone. That not make no sense. This is all me see them. Both she and the police them doing her wrong. The police them wrong if you bribe her. If you accept bribe from her rather, and she guilty, because that's the only way the man them could have said, alright, you go on and on, and 300k, you know, man, or 15 years in the world. Just saying, example, that's the only way the man them could have said that. Because they have to find concrete evidence, you know, say, yo, jail you are going, or prison you are going. So when she come and fabricate her story and make it look like so she attack one side of the story, she have to involve in a scamming. The man have to have some kind of concrete evidence before them do that. That's all me things still, my people. Again, I can be wrong and I can be right. You don't have to agree with me. You know the thing already, my people. We not draw out the video too long. You just do the right thing. Of course, and what is the right thing? If you like the video, you press like. If you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button. And if you have a comment, of course, whether or not you agree or disagree with me, your way to just leave in the comment section and we have a live discussion down there, my people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.